Y'all, we finna eat that motherfucking food sexes, motherfucker. You feel me?
Okay. This is...
Looks like mine.
Yeah, they most definitely gave you 2. But you paid the price of nothing. Don't tell me mine at the bottom. Mine is at the bottom.
Oh, no.
I can see it.
Fuck.
The fries. Bitch. Fresh. What you think? Come in some more.
Y'all, it's the range for me, okay? Hold on. I'm trying to get past the fries, bitch. It's crispy and
She been to the chicken. Take your time. Did you put some barbecue sauce on it? I know fucking well.
Should have got 5.
Let us see you.
Okay. Let me remind y'all, I don't eat meat, y'all. So y'all know food sexes gotta be good as fuck for the smack on this motherfucker. You feel me?
Okay. Up in that cell, let that girl out of jail. Oh, Gators don't cry.
Y'all, what the fuck?
You feeling some type of way? Candy! Oh my God, Candy!
Oh Lord.
You don't understand. She's been waiting to try food like this for years now. I've been talking about this shit since freshman year.
Why the fuck y'all had us eating Zaxby's and Chick-fil-A this whole time? I'm upset.
It's okay, baby. Let it out. Let them know how you feel.
I'm upset, bro.
If you don't want to eat the other last piece, because I don't want your stomach to be hurting,
Bruh.
you can pass it to Torlesa, because she ain't going to have. Torlesa's about to be done.
I'm sorry.
Oh. That ranch in that buffalo.
Okay, because I'm on the same bullshit.
I'm on the same bullshit.
I love ranch buffalo sauce and the fried beef.
And I want to do a mukbang so bad. Baby, slow down, because you back there just a merchant. Okay, so now that we got some food on our stomachs, let me ask you, how do y'all feel about food sexes? Because you know you talk about it all the time. I'm like, damn, I want some food sexes. How do y'all feel about it?
Okay.
So when did they put a food sexes in Atlanta? Candy, I'm gonna knock the shit out you. Slow your stupid ass down.
As I previously stated, I'm living the wrong life. And why the fuck y'all introduced us to that bullshit ass chicken that we got? Fucking McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Zaxby's, Burger King, Wendy's, wannabe ass chicken.
Man.
Wannabe ass sausage fresh out the factory with the motherfucking Wendy's, McDonald's, Chick-fil-A labels having ass on them motherfuckers. But bitch, y'all need to get some food sexes.
No, but you're gonna get the seafood, so slow down.
I wanted some of that too, Lord.
I don't. Do you want some of her ranch and buffalo and honey mustard?
I'm almost done.
Hell, you ain't got nothing but swallow left. I can't with this fuck ass water. If I don't get me a Coca-Cola soon.
Grandma.
I know something.
Auntie Lancy face blowing a kiss.
Oh God.
She went the way. Our hands wet as fuck. You dumb.